Sorry about that. I had my volume turned down. Gotta get some kind of pullback here. Got everything crossing. If we get through this IB 1.5, our next area of target's going to be the 67. More likely, we're going to be moving back up to touch those 19. Yeah. This is just one micro, so we'll let this one run. Come on. Ah, shoot. Couldn't get there. It says, I tried to add your Discord, but I'm getting a message that says invite invalid. Let me bring it up again. Yeah, I don't know if there's something wrong with that link. See if that'll carry you there. I haven't really been very active in the Discord lately, but there's some free indicators if you like Ninja. Yeah, I think I need to go update that one. I think it's the one in the links in the YouTube channel. Let's see if we finally get some kind of pullback here. Man, this thing's just off to the moon. My guess is we're going to get probably most of this retracement from over this morning. Nice pullback. Okay. Yeah, we'll try to get that updated. Back to the 54. Deeper pullback. Whew, looks like we're going all the way back to the 20s, guys. Sorry about that. Looks like we're going to struggle a little bit on this one. Try to go to break even fairly quick. Oh well. We were trying to get the breakout on that one. It was just taking way too long. So, but we got out of it with a positive, but still, it was rough getting out of that one. All right, let's switch back to where we're lowering our risk a little bit. All right, so I've been noticing it. If you've been watching the time, all these good moves happen within in the first or the last 10 minutes of the hour and the first 10 minutes of the hour. That seems to be where the best moves are at. And I've really never paid much attention to that. Someone brought that up one day. Oh, goodness. So a while ago, we accidentally took I think this is before I started the stream. I accidentally took a trade on minis instead of micros. And so we got the last few $100s we needed to pass this other account. And this count, we still need, what about $800? We're at 700. Yeah, so 800. So this right here would have been somewhat of a failed pullback. This is the one we tried a while ago, but just barely got the 4 points. And so that's why we want to break even fairly quick, because it wasn't moving. How's your trading been today, Frank? Have you done okay? Miss Methodical Man's phone call. No, this morning I did not take any inversion. plays. I usually don't look for any of those inversion plays if we're trending down. So like all morning, once we got it moving, we were pretty much just trending down all morning. So when we're doing that, most of the time I will be looking for pullbacks. So like this trade here, I missed that this morning. I was in it, but we didn't capitalize on it. This was like 100-point pullback here. So these are all pretty clean trades. So we got the crossover. We got good movement down. We got the nice, not great U shape, but we didn't take this one just because of this. This one looks a lot better. So we got the push down and you got the U shape. So, and we bought in at the 440s, but we're only able to get like 5 handles out of it because it came back and stopped out my runner. What's up, Andy? So we're back up to at least 3 Bulanock funded. So we were at 3 a couple weeks ago, but one got messed up. I'm not really sure what happened to it. We never even paid the invoice. Methodical Man was telling me about it. I guess they changed one of the rules about signing one of those agreement papers after you pass, and I guess I didn't realize it. So I still got a pass eval on my list here, but it's not on my dashboard. Then hopefully next week we'll be able to take some trades on Quantower on those fast track accounts. Andy, did you trade yourself today, or did you mainly use the Skyfire to trades? Excuse me, cold chills. Nice. What is it? We're up 240 on our funded account today. This is really the first time I've started trading funded. I think yesterday was the first day I started back trading, and today. Because we blew a funded account before we went on vacation. So we took a break from trading funded. Had to regroup. So we got about 10 more minutes before we get to that 2:30. Maybe we'll have a little bitty 2:30 candle here. I don't know if that 1.5 will hold or not. I almost think it will. I almost want to tempt it just to if I can get in with a short stop loss, and I have a huge stop loss. Hey, Clarity. No, it's not wanting to hold. Nope. Yeah, see, I've done that the last couple days, Frank, and I've failed both times. Is that the lifetime fee, Clarity? Hey, Angel. You riding this guy up back to the highs? Oh, I guess I didn't know. I guess Methodical Man's live too. Okay, so you just got in. You just got on. Angel, we do have Nvidia numbers this evening at their close. Is it going to be to the moon? Probably. Oh yeah, that's a huge move. I want to say 420, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know the exact time, and I don't know if I look up earnings reports if it'll show the time or not. Do I see the? No, I guess I'm not sure what you're talking about there. Oh, you said Clarity. You said Apex goal is to do a 48-hour approval. Now, is that for funded or to just get you funded? Oh, okay. Wow, that's pretty good. 48 hours. Back at that 41 again. I've been kind of wanting to use this as some support and just see if it'll hold. So that 67 should be a target up there. We may risk some of our earnings because we're up so much right now. I don't recommend following these trades. These are not really entry trades. These are just kind of jumping in to see if we can touch that session high. Enter at own risk. Because we're also at another level on the at the SC or the ES at the 10s. And we're just also using 3 micros. So what is that? $60, $120, I think. We're about 2 minutes away from that possible death candle. Sometimes at that 230, you can get that quick pull down or a quick move up real quick, but unfortunately it could stop you out either way. Maybe we'll just risk 310. We'll just risk $60 just in case we get something crazy happen at 230. So we could get a break even, which we may just do that. All right, so we're just risking 4 now. So we'll be out $30 if it slaps back and stops us out. All right, 230. I mean, sorry, 330. Hoping we can get up there to that VWAP on the ES there. Woo, that was a little bit of a wiki there. I don't know what that was. All right, first target. All right. We hit our target. It's probably going to have to pull back into this 9 and 21. The next trade we'll do is we'll either wait for a pullback or we'll just kind of see what happens at this level here at the 67s. Uh, we took some PA trades earlier. We're up $240 on the PA today. This one right here that we're up 800 is a eval, which is a fairly new eval. Actually, we just started it today. Wow, pretty good pullback. Man. I like to see 41 hold up. Nope, we're going to lose 41. The ES is losing that 11 again. Hoping that was just a fake breakout below that level. Stop loss would be a little big if we did take this. Looks like it wants to hold. Oh no, it's still wanting to sell. This one's a little bit risky too. It's just the ES is stuck at that level. So that one kind of worries me. All right. Right now, it's just a free trade. We're in it for break even. We already took 2 of the contracts off, so now we're just stuck with 1. Nope. The runner didn't pay, guys. The runner didn't pay. We were hoping that runner would be a banger. We've missed most of all of our runners today. You still could have got your 5 or 10 points off of that pullback. What do we got? We got about 10 minutes before the death candle. How has your trading day been today, Eric? Looks like we want to roll over. Red day. Well, is it a manageable red day? Like, were you just taking maybe smaller, not something that's recoverable, I guess. I've been really trying. That's something I've been trying to work really hard on lately is the risk management. That way, if I do take losing trades, they're not like devastating losing trades. I mean, this 341's been holding. I mean, that 341's been solid. Another thing I've been trying also is when it comes to my funded accounts, one trade and done. Either it's going to be a winner, a break even, or a loser. Because I've done that in the past. When I take a losing trade on my PA, we try to revenge trade on it and make it worse. Man, I've been so tired today. I only slept like 4 hours last night. Woo, might have prematurely jumped in that one. I got fooled by the fake breakout on the ES. I feel I should. There we go. All right. Got lucky on that one. Man, that's all we're trading right now. Eric, is micros. Like every now and then I may take a mini trade, but 80-90% of my trades are all micros. The only thing that sucks about micros and using Beulah Knox is the fees. So look at some of the fees I have on this account. So we did trade micros on this for one trade, and we got a big winner out of it. But look, I'm at 26,517, so I have $200 in fees today. And the same with this one. We're up 790 or 793, but our cash value is at 858, so almost $60 in fees. Oh, this freaking thing's gonna go without us. This is what happens whenever you got a small stop loss. Oh, this thing's going to 19, guys. Come on. It's going to go to. Well, you got some resistance at the VWAP. It'll take a little bit to get through that VWAP. Yeah, so most of these trades that I'm trading now, the most I'm willing to risk is like $60, Eric. We still got about 5 more minutes before the death candle. You're gonna wait for the killer bot? Oh, that things are going straight up. Look at this big wick candle. Yeah, it's going to be choppy for the next 4 minutes. So we're risking about what, 10, what is that? 60? I don't know. Is it 60 or 30? I don't remember. It's $60, I think. I got about 12 handles with 3 contracts. All right, break even. Come on. Give it to me, runner. All right, I'm going to give it a little bit more room since it's just 1 micro. And see if we can get that death candle that happens in about 3 minutes. This death candle could stop me out too. That's the only crappy part. It can pull down real quick, stop me out, then go. Woo. Holy goodness. Retrace all the way back down. Oh, son of a bee. What are we in this for? 9, 12, 12 times 2, $24. So $24 if we lose. Oh, it's not going to let me stay in until the death candle arrives. Come on. We got less than. Oh, it came and got us. All right. All right. We're just in for 1 contract, guys. Got 12 seconds. Let's see if we get the death candle. Oh, we were wrong. I wouldn't recommend doing that with heavy contract guys. We were just doing that with 1 micro. ES looks like it wants to break the. Maybe we can find 1 more entry before close. Gotta let it settle down a little bit. Oh, come on. I was about to say. It's going to reverse. Our runner is not going to get anything. We found support at that freaking 19. That's right at that. Doesn't look like a runner's going to get us anything, guys. Still got about 2 minutes before that 55 candle. If we get through that 19, that 56.19, I think we'll go quick. What do we got? Minute left. It's probably going. Dang it. Oh well, no big move. We got 1 minute left before the. I was hoping I was going to be able to stay in it until the end. Just couldn't get through the 56.19 there. All right, we're about less than 10 seconds from the 55 candle. Three, two, one. Blast off. Nope. I don't know. I'm still feeling the longs. Like, does this 40 still hold up? I mean, this 40 has been a wall. Are we finally going to lose that 40? Yes, it's trying to move higher. I don't know, man. We've gotten a couple little small winners out of it. Oh, he's so right through that 40. The 40 is like, nope, can't hold it no more. Still got about 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes. I know if I try to jump in, guys, it's gonna do the complete opposite. See if we get the sell off at the end. Oh well. We tried. It may still go. Everything was pointing down. All right, guys, that's the 3 o'clock. Is it gonna go without us? All right. There it goes. There it goes. It's going. We had the right direction. We just got stopped out. I'm not positive. I wish I kind of knew. Ah. Could have had a nice little sell off at the end, and it stopped us out. Okay, Ponzi seal. He's thinking 420. So pretty good trading day. Like I said, 240 on this one funded account here. We got this one over the funded level, and this one we're at 700. So we're halfway there on this one too. Oh, it says, okay, well, we can't stay on that long. I have somewhere I have to go. Might just have to come back and look at it after the fact. Methodical Man, he may stay on long enough to stream it, but I'm not sure. Does any of you guys ever try taking trades after the close? Oh, yeah, no problem, Ponzi. Thanks for hanging out today. Well, we got a few little winners there at the evening, but we did take a few little losses too. But we were able to keep the losses small. Mm. Man, that little spike of volume just kind of came out of nowhere. I mean, I was like, we going to go down? We had this nice pullback. We kind of have this doji candle or whatever, then a small red candle. Have a hard time pushing up, small body. But man. Oh, look at that fake out. See, I don't usually take this trades this time of the day, so then I don't know how comfortable I'd feel taking this because you can tell we have less volume. Well, kind of going into consolidation mode. It looks like a methodical man made me streaming the numbers over there. Do we want to try this short? Man, what kind of the volume just looks so weak. Look at that. Look at that crazy. See how that like it wicks down? It's not like a clean candle moving, so it just looks definitely has a different look to it. It's waiting for those. Let me just look up. I know Google says 5, but let me look at investing.com. I guess Nvidia's been down a couple percents today. Yeah, it doesn't really give us a time on here. For some reason, I thought it gave us time. So it looks like they're expecting tech to lower head earnings. We'll try to we'll try to wait till 420 to see if they release them. If they don't, we'll just have to just kind of come back and look at it. Getting to that 04 level. Okay, so you thinking it's 5 p.m. too also, Eric? Yeah, we'll give it 10 more minutes. If it doesn't happen then we'll just, I guess maybe Methodical Man may stay on to the news. I'm not positive, but I have somewhere I have to go, so I can't sit here till 5. Oh, I'm a big fan of the way these candles are moving. It's super erratic at the moment. Like it doesn't have that nice flow smoothing. I guess because of so much volume out of the market, people are just kind of sitting on the sidelines, and it's just slingshotting like it's the opening or something. So it's still a pretty good day. We finished up 746 on this account. Um, this other eval, we were able to pass it with $900. Heck yeah. The YOLO. You hold up what made, oh, 2 hours ago. Nice. I thought you'd be at work by now, Baldwin. Are you still at work or are you texting on your phone? Our best is 240 on the funded today. Okay. 504 is like a rock. Look how many times we've hit this 504. Kind of go back all the way over to here. We try to push below it, try to push below it, try to push below it. Those were fake breakouts here. Nice. At least you got a nice victory before you got out today. What do we got? 5 more minutes still. It's like, come on, we're just consolidating sideways, guys. There's really no, definitely no reason for me to be in this. For anybody that's using Apex, so they still have their 80% off evals, 1-day pass, and $85 lifetime fee. What is that? Methodical man? Long? As you can see, guys, the market's really not doing too much. I'm assuming it's probably going to be like this. Not the fact that it's also at their close, and that we also have Nvidia's numbers coming out. We'll give it 4 more minutes, and if nothing happens, we'll just have to just come back later and just kind of see what happens. You get 100 point up, 100 point down. Yeah, everyone's waiting on that Nvidia report. Man, I was really hoping to see the price action. I love pretty wild price action. I was really hoping that it was at 420. They're probably gonna wait till 5 o'clock. That way, everybody in these prop firms, the market closes down. That'd be my guess. Since the market you can't trade after 5. Oh, ooh, it's getting a little frisky here. Come on. Let's see 100-point move pre-news. Oh, I need to get off my funded account before I accidentally hit a button. Woo. Come on. Be at 420, guys. To the moon. Man. All right, we got 30 seconds. Let's see if this stuff's going to drop. Whew. Look at that dump. Did it freeze? It froze. No, come on, Beulah Knox. Oh, there it goes. The dump. Oh my God. Look at that 100-point dump. No. Nice. Nice on the 100-point dump. Come on, let's get a reversal. Let's go back up 100 points. Oh my God, it's still. Come on, I was hoping for a move up. Oh, good times, guys. Good times. Ah. We just got one micro in the game. Ah la la. All right. We thought we would see if we could get the breakout to the upside, but we did get at least our 5 contracts, or not our 5 contracts, but our 20 points. All right, guys. Apparently there's a mess up. I hear Methodical Man saying something about he's stuck in this trade. Yeah, I don't know. Well, I tried to there at the end, Angel, but I was only using 3 micros, so we got 2 of our micros off at 20 points, and I was hoping we could leave a runner. So really didn't get anything off that. So, all right, guys. Thank you guys for watching and hanging out. Watch the numbers. For some reason, the market froze. If you noticed that, like it was stuck. See, Methodical Man's over there is stuck in a trade. Woo, look at her go. She's going to move back down another 100 points. I guess we just chose the wrong direction, guys. Wrong direction. Yeah, I'm kind of with you, Eric. I don't really know what side to pick on, like these big news candles like this. You know, it's kind of like a 50-50, you know. Wow, does it want more? It wants more? Oof. OMG. She's gonna give us 200 points. You're only 40 points away from a 200-point banger. Holy goodness. 60 point. If we get to that 60, that's 200 points for this NVIDIA move. Oh. Wow. Ponzi's dream move, a 200-point sell off. Oh, she's got more. She's got more. Holy crap. Did anybody catch that? Was anybody able to get that short back to the downside? My 50-50 was on the wrong side. You got a small portion? Nice. Hey, whatever you can get, that's all that matters. I mean, this is like, you know, it's just giving out free money. My 50-50 was on the wrong side. I thought once we dumped, I was hoping that we would pump. All right, guys. We will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for hanging out that last 20 minutes.